Sarachan. This is fall 2023 and I'm a first semester grad student in sculpture and extended media. And the materials for this are RIT fabric dye. This is from early 2022. And porous materials like wood or paper. So if you want a texture where it crystallizes, all that we do is pour a little in a container and let your wood or fabric might work, or paper, absorb it. These have been sitting for about 5 days in about a half cup, and as it evaporates, it crystallizes. If you use less, it would evaporate quicker, but for a half cup, it's still not totally evaporated after even 5 days. This one sat for probably 2 weeks before it fully evaporated, and this was just a mixture of a bunch of colors to get a really dark. Yeah, so I haven't used this in any work that I've shared, but in a process in about 2014 and 15 where I was making drawings that I couldn't see what I was doing. I was pouring materials and inks through found carpet and other things, and seeing what traces were underneath them. This was one of the materials I tried to do that and found that it crystallized, so it was just a happy accident. I think it's a nice way to slow down and have a process in the studio that's a little bit alchemic. We're not necessarily trying to predict exactly what we can control, but can leave some materials together and have some discoveries at the end. And the more things it gets tested with, I would be happy if other people tried it with different materials and saw what happened.